Tischler Dental has been in Woodstock since 1971, and our facility here, which opened January of 2007, has been designed based on all of the needs that we had in our previous facility, and yet it's based on a lot of the fundamental concepts that were so successful there. As our patients drive into our facility, one of the first things they're going to see is a waterfall, and that really signifies our philosophy of bringing the dental experience to tie it in with nature. And the thought process there is to calm the patient down, because as we all know, dentistry is kind of a scary process for a lot of people. And we do that through having large windows in all our dental operatories, in the waiting room, having a lot of natural materials around. We have a lot of wood, and just making it a very calming environment, a very friendly environment. As you walk into our waiting room, one of the things we often hear is this looks like a hotel lobby. Once you leave the waiting rooms and enter the treatment areas, each of the dental hygiene rooms, and there's 4 of them because the practice philosophy is based on keeping our patients' gums healthy. And we have 3 dental hygienists that provide that care. And as you continue on through the facility, there's 2 surgical suites that is set up as the implant center at Tischler Dental that has an in-office CAT scan machine, which is one of the only CAT scan machines in the Hudson Valley. Both of the surgical suites are set up for ideal sterility. We have our own sterilization area in the surgical suite. And then we have 6 general treatment rooms that Dr. Milton and my father practice in. We have a central sterilization area with 4 autoclaves, a central laboratory. So this building is really set up for ideal ergonomics, ideal care, thinking in terms of safety, thinking in terms of the patient experience. And we have patients that travel from all over the country. We have a conference room here that we offer courses in. This is a teaching facility. We have in-office courses for dentists. One of the things in our previous facility that we didn't have is privacy for patients. And in this office we have a separate check-in area and a separate check-out area. And the check-out area, where patients are reappointed and deal with financial issues, is separated by a wall so that there's privacy. And I just feel that's an important point. You're not going to see that glass door that gets slammed in your face like you do in a lot of healthcare facilities. Everything's open here. We have all digital x-rays in this practice. The technology that we utilize, I feel, is some of the best in the industry. We have a digital pantograph, we have digital sensors, so that all of the x-rays we take are all up to 90% less radiation with better diagnostics. We have a computer system that allows us to give really good patient education. We show PowerPoint to patients. Before and after photos are taken with digital cameras. We have 3 intraoral cameras so we can really explain to the patient what's happening in their mouth. In the office we have a separate consult room where we can sit with patients and talk in private and educate them with a multimedia presentation. One of the things in this new facility that we really wanted to be strong on is safety for our patients. And that starts with, for example, we have heated sidewalks outside. We're in the Northeast and the winters are sometimes severe, and we have sidewalks that actually melt the snow and ice so patients don't slip. Inside the facility, you're not going to find carpeting here. There's only hardwood floor everywhere and hard surface flooring. And to tie that in, we also have 7 zones of air purification that make it so that the air is constantly being recirculated here. And we have a lot of patients that are allergic and they come here for that reason. One of our catchphrases for our marketing is that we bring dentistry to the next level of care. And that's what we try to do on every level, from when a patient comes into the waiting room to the actual treatment in the dental laboratories. We all love dentistry. We all love what we do, and we want to provide the best customer service possible because that's part of the whole treatment experience.